SignalBooster.com is an emergency responder radio coverage specialist that can help with testing and, if needed, installing a public safety signal booster or distributed antenna system. What is Public Safety Signal Booster or Distributed Antenna System? It is a signal enhancement system that closes wireless coverage gaps for the first responders in all parts of a building to allow them to use their emergency radios seamlessly. It can be required for a new or renovated building to get a certificate of occupancy to meet the National Fire Protection Association codes mandated by the authority having jurisdiction. Since years, SignalBooster.com has been the top public safety signal enhancement system designer and installer, meeting and even exceeding National Fire Protection Association requirements to guarantee certification with local jurisdictions. Find out how our team of trained, certified, and experienced installers can help. If your in-building public safety band's coverage does not meet required standards, call 1-855-846-2654 or visit signalbooster.com.